Welcome. In this video, I'll show you a complete guide to fix any problem for Facebook in your laptop. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first fix here, if you can't open or successfully log into Facebook, if it got the infinite loading screen, well, all you got to do to fix that, tap on the three dots on your browser. Could be at the top right. Okay. And then just go ahead over to settings. Now tap on privacy and security and tap on delete browsing data. Now set this one to all time. You can leave browsing history unticked as well as download history, but leave both of these ticked. Cookies and other site data and cached images and files. You could go ahead and show more. Okay, if you want, you could delete them all. If not, just leave these two. Click on delete from this device, and then once done, reload Facebook, and you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, maybe you have ad blockers, okay, or extensions that are conflicting with your browser or conflicting with the Facebook website. So go ahead and go to extensions right here, click on manage extensions. And if you do have extensions, try to at least disable them. Now, if you found the culprit or the extension that is causing the problem, well, remove it. Once that's done, again, refresh Facebook right here, and you should be good to go. Now, if your browser crashes or turns completely black whenever you look at the Facebook photos or videos, well, your graphics card software is likely miscommunicating with your browser. So go ahead and again, tap on the three dots, click on it, click on settings, and then we're going to find the system. And here, as you can see, graphic acceleration is available. So go ahead and enable this one and then tap on relaunch right here. And once that's done, check if it works. Again, let's go back to the loading or infinite loading right here. And when you go ahead and go to YouTube or any other website, it doesn't got any problem. So to fix that, we would need to close the browser, find our search bar and type down CMD or command prompt. Click on Run as Administrator. There will be a prompt. Just click on Yes. Now we are going to type down ipconfig space / flush DNS and then just hit on Enter. And then once that's done, just type down netsh space winsock space reset. Hit on Enter. Lastly here, netsh space int space IP space reset. Hit on Enter. Once that's done, close the command prompt. Now go ahead and restart your computer. And after that, you're good to go. That's how simple it is to fix Facebook and laptop. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.